are going to do the Tournament of Super Champions. That's right, your favorite Hot Wheels monster trucks and Monster Jam trucks are returning to see who is a champion team and who is an overall monster truck. So, for Team Hot Wheels, we have One Bad Ghoul, Loco Punk, Hot Wheels Racing number 3, Hot Wheels Racing number 1, Bone Shaker, Bigfoot, Megarex, Hulk, and for Team Monster Jam, Zombie, Higher Education, Devastator, Earthshaker, Mohawk Warrior, Son of a Digger, Backdraft, and Monster Mutt. Stay tuned to see which one will be the champion team and the overall monster truck. Our contestants will be driving on the downhill racing course. And our first contestants are One Bad Ghoul and Zombie. Let's get it on! One Bad Ghoul wins it easily. Our first winner is One Bad Ghoul. That was epic. Our second contestants, Local Punk taking on Higher Education. Let's bring it on! Higher Education! OMG! Round 3. Hot Wheels Racing number 3 versus Devastator. And Devastator was my first Monster Jam truck. He has too much damage because I didn't know how to hold yet. And they're both pickups. Anyway, let's start round 3. Ready, set, go. That was easy for Devastator. Racing number 1 taking on Earthshaker Trainer Truck. And on our scoreboard, looks like Team Monster Jam is gonna be the champion team tonight in this Tournament of Super Champions. Round 4, let's bring it on! Hot Wheels Racing number 1 crashes to the finish line easily. Shaker taking on Mohawk Warrior. Time to race him high. Team Monster Jam is in trouble. Team Hot Wheels Monster Trucks has 3 wins so far. Team Monster Jam has just 2. And now it's time for round 6. Bigfoot, Son of a Digger. Time to raise him high. Team Hot Wheels Monster Trucks is in the lead. Monster Jam just has 2 wins, and Team Hot Wheels has 4 so far. Team Monster Jam needs just 2 more to tie the game. And our next contestants, Megarex and Backdraft. And here's some trivia. Megarex can remove his tail so he looks like a pickup. And Backdraft looks like a fire truck. Anywho, let's start the game. Let's go! It's time for round 8, the Hulk versus Monster Mutt. Anyway, let's start the game. Start the race. Go! Oh! OMG! Congratulations to Team Hot Wheels Monster Trucks with 6 wins against Monster Jam with only 2 wins. So you are the champion team, Hot Wheels. Congratulations. And here are our semi-finalists. Now it's time for semi-finals. Number 1. One Bad Ghoul, Higher Education. One Bad Ghoul taking on Higher Education. Let's bring it down. One Bad Ghoul again. It's cool today. It's semi-final number 2. Devastator, Hot Wheels Racing number 1. And One Bad Ghoul is our first winner as a semi-finalist. Let's get it ready. Semi-final number 2, Hot Wheels Racing number 1 versus the Devastator. Go. Semi-final number 3, Bone Shaker, Bigfoot. Semi-final number 3, Bigfoot taking on the Bone Shaker. Go. Our last semi-final, Hyper-X taking on the Hulk. Let's go. It is now our quarterfinals. So who do you think is going to win? One Bad Ghoul, Devastator, Bigfoot, and the Hulk. I'll give you 10 seconds to see and predict who do you think is going to win. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's time for you to press that play button and see if you are correct. And let's continue. Our first quarterfinals is competing our Devastator and the One Bad Ghoul. Our semifinals has finished. Who do you think is going to win this one? One Bad Ghoul, Devastator, Hulk, and Bigfoot. Let's go and see who gets to the semifinals and see who's the overall monster truck. Let's go. One Bad Ghoul has moved on to the finals. Now it's time for Hulk to take on the Bigfoot. Let's go. Are very fast than the other 14. But who'll take on the Titan Cup and will be the overall Monster Truck Champion. Let's go! It's our finals. It's all over! One Bad Ghoul wins! Of the Super Champions. Thank you for watching this PopKidzRule video. And if you're new to this crew, hit the subscribe button so you can always enjoy some videos and a new one when it's out. Bye-bye!